Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will see how to retire a process. Have you ever retired a process? Usually we retire schedulers. So let's start. Go to Blue Prism, open Studio. You can see I have one process. So let me create one more process. Done. Now I don't need this process temporarily. So I can't delete this process because if I delete this process, this will permanently remove. But I don't need this process temporarily. So what I do is I will retire this process. So for this, I will go to System tab. In processes, you can see management option. Click here. Here you can see all the processes. Now drag drop the process to the right panel, which is for retired processes. Simply your process is retired. Now let me retire this as well. Refresh and go back. Go to control room and you can see this process is still here, but rough process is not visible because rough process is not published in the control room. So let me try to run this process. See, we are unable to run this process because this process is retired. However, this is visible in control room, but we can't run retired processes. So this is how you can avoid the run of retired processes. I mean the processes which are not supposed to run temporarily. Now go back to the control management. Let's unretire this process. We can easily unretire this process, but first let me show you in the studio. See, in studio you can't see the process. Process is not available here. It is available in control room, but we can't run. But if it is available in studio, then we can edit. So they have removed the process from studio. So let's unretire the process. Simply drag drop again. So we are unable to unretire this because we have to click on the option, I mean the folder. Simply select and click on this folder. Refresh and go back to the control room, studio. See, processes are back. Now in control room, drag drop the process. See the pending session. We are able to run the process. So this is how we can remove the processes temporarily. Thanks for watching guys. Do comment your queries and doubts.